Right now, a mountain 3 times taller than Everest is sitting completely still on Mars, and scientists still cannot fully explain how it got there. Olympus Mons rises 21.9 kilometers above the Martian surface. It is so wide, roughly 600 kilometers across, that if you stood at its base, the summit would be beyond your horizon. You would not even know you were on a mountain. But the mountain is just the beginning. Mars hosts the longest canyon system ever discovered in the solar system. Valles Marineris stretches 4,000 kilometers, roughly the width of the continental United States, and plunges up to 7 kilometers deep. The Grand Canyon, by comparison, is 446 kilometers long. One is a wonder, the other is a world. And yet Mars is not a large planet. Its entire surface area equals the dry land on Earth. Not the whole Earth, just the land. Here's something stranger. A day on Mars, called a sol, lasts 24 hours and 37 minutes, almost identical to ours. Of all the planets in our solar system, Mars alone shares this rhythm with Earth, as if set by a careful hand. But here's what most people do not know. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, and Phobos is falling. It orbits so close to Mars, just 6,000 kilometers above the surface, that gravitational forces are pulling it inward by about 1.8 meters every century. Within roughly 50 million years, it will either crash into the planet or shatter into a ring. Even more surprising, the soil of Mars contains the chemical compound perchlorate, which is toxic to humans, but actually generates heat when it reacts. The same soil that would harm us is chemically alive in its own way. And then there is this. In 2018, radar data from the Mars Express orbiter detected a stable liquid water lake buried 1.5 kilometers beneath the southern polar ice cap, approximately 20 kilometers wide, sitting in cold darkness. Water. On Mars. Right now. Every planet in this solar system carries its own signature of wonder, each one a reminder that the scale of creation is far beyond what any single mind can hold.